Hi guys, in this video I show you how to choose a thumbnail in YouTube Shorts and how to create a special one for more engagement. First, open Canva and select the plus button. Choose the 9:16 format for your thumbnail to have the right dimensions for YouTube Shorts, TikTok and Reels. Of course you need a nice background, choose the color you like or upload a picture. Now you can add a nice and catchy text. You can also adjust the colors, the text style, the position, the size and everything else. In CapCut Mobile you can just use your fingers to adjust the size of text boxes or pictures. Choose the colors you like. Add some effects, for example outlines. As you can see here, you can not only add standard outlines, you can adjust the thickness of these outlines and you can also change the color. The short I'm creating is about the agent Neon, so I'm adding a picture of Neon, finding the right positions and size. The picture is a little bit blurry, not so high quality, so I'm adjusting the quality by increasing the brightness, the contrast, increasing also a little bit saturation, and of course the sharpness and clarity. And I'm also adding some glow by going to the effect tabs, shadows and choosing glow. You can adjust the glow, changing the size, blur amount or intensity. After finding the right settings and finishing your thumbnail, you can just download it. After finishing your special thumbnail in Canva, you can open CapCut, upload your video, press the plus button and add your thumbnail. Now all you need to do is to reduce the duration of this thumbnail, so we have only one frame in the end. And now export the video and open the YouTube app to upload the video. You can type a nice catchy title and select the small pencil icon to choose the thumbnail. Here of course you can choose any video moment you like, but now you also have the option to choose your special thumbnail in the end of the video, the last frame. And then you can upload your video. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.